So this document has really come a long way since we started building it. It used to just be a blob of numbers out there, just black text floating inside this Excel worksheet. We've really started to spice it up with colors and borders and background colors, formatting this document. Now, I want to take this a step further. Our title, although it's a nice title, it's nice, big and bold there at the top of the screen, what I'd like to do now is take that title and center it along the top of my spreadsheet here. I want to put monthly budget right in the middle of the width of this spreadsheet. Now, how many columns do I have? A, B, C, D, E, F. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns there. So roughly right about here in between C and D is the middle of my spreadsheet. That's between two cells though. I can't put monthly budget where there's no cell. That's in the middle of two cells, right? I'd have to insert another one inside of there to be able to create that center spot. Now, to fix this, Microsoft Excel has got a feature called Merge and Center. The Merge and Center feature will take a group of cells, like A1 to F1, that 6 set of cells there. It'll merge them all into one cell and center the contents. One button press. Take a look. I'm going to highlight cells A1 to F1. 6 different cells, right? With that highlighted, I'll go to my Home tab. Underneath Alignment, I've got Merge and Center. I'll give that a click, one button press, and I've now taken those 6 individual cells, merged them together, created one big master cell out of those 6, and centered my title. Merge and Center. A very neat feature. Now, it's a clickable button. It's a toggle. If I click it again, it'll unmerge them, take me back to 6 individual cells. But I'm going to leave it as is because now I'm going to go up and change the color. I'll make it blue. I'm going to change the font color. I'll give it a border at the bottom. And now I've got a nice title up there at the top of the screen. And you know what? I think I got too many rows here. I'm going to select row 3 and delete it. Control minus. We'll get rid of that. I just think it looks better. Not as much white space up there at the top. But try this out. Merge and center. Grab a number of cells like A1 through F1, those 6 cells. Go up to Home, Alignment, Merge and Center. Takes them all into one cell and centers your title. Much more presentable, much cleaner. Try it out.